So it shouldn't come as a big surprise to anybody that today Carnival Cruise Lines has canceled all July cruises with the exception of 3 ships. Let's talk about it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, so we know last week that the bookings on Carnival's website for all ships, with the exception of the Vista, the Breeze, and the Horizon, had disappeared. And it was speculated that those cruises would cancel, and today it's official. They've canceled all July cruises with the exception of those 3 ships. Carnival has put this information out here. I'll go ahead and put it up here. And it says, we have notified guests of cancellations for additional sailings as we work toward plans for a July restart in the U.S. on select ships, including sailings from Alaska, pending approval from U.S. and Canadian authorities. We hope to begin operating sailings on 3 ships from Florida and Texas, including the Carnival Vista beginning July 3rd, the Carnival Breeze beginning July 15th, both from Galveston, and the Carnival Horizon from Miami beginning July 4th. Given that there is still some uncertainty in plans to operate these voyages, guests booked on these sailings who wish to make alternate summer vacation plans may cancel without penalty by May 31st, 2021 and receive a full refund. We are also canceling sailings on all other ships through July 30th, 2021. If you have been impacted, you will receive an email direct from Carnival or your travel advisor. Thank you for your continued support and hope to see you on board very soon. All right, so that is the official word from Carnival. Again, shouldn't be a huge surprise if you've been following along with the cruising news over the last week. We saw those ships repositioned to the ports they're currently in, which is Miami and Galveston. Like I said, the bookings disappeared. We anticipated that the remaining cruises would be canceled, and now they officially are. And so it does answer the question of where Carnival was going to try to restart cruising from, and it does look like it's going to be both Texas and Florida. All right, I hope you enjoyed this quick news video. If you did, let's give it a thumbs up. Y'all have a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.